What is business? Business is a word that is commonly used in many different languages. Business is a word that is commonly used in many different languages. But exactly what does it mean? But exactly what does it mean? The concepts and activities of business have increased in modern times. The concepts and activities of business have increased in modern times. Traditionally, business simply meant exchange or trade for things people wanted or needed. Traditionally, business simply meant exchange or trade for things people wanted or needed. Today, it has a more technical definition. Today, it has a more technical definition. One definition of business is the production, distribution, and sale of goods and services for a profit. One definition of business is the production, distribution, and sale of goods and services for a profit. To examine this definition, we will look at its various parts. To examine this definition, we will look at its various parts. First, production is the creation of services or the changing of materials into products. First, production is the creation of services or the exchanging of materials into products. For example is the conversion of iron ore into metal car parts. One example is the conversion of iron ore into metal car parts. Next, these products need to be moved from the factory to the marketplace. Next, these products need to be moved from the factory to the marketplace. This is known as distribution. This is known as distribution. A car might be moved from a factory in Detroit to a car dealership in Miami. A car might be moved from a factory in Detroit to a car dealership in Miami. Third is the sale of goods and services. Third is the sale of goods and services. Sale is the exchange of a product or service for money. Sale is the exchange of product or service for money. A car is sold for someone in exchange for money. A car is sold to someone in exchange for money. Goods are products that people either need or want. Goods are products that people either need or want. For example, cars can be classified as goods. For example, cars can be classified as goods. Services, on the other hand, are activities that a person or group performs for another person or organization. Services, on the other hand, are activities that a person or group performs for another person or organization. For instance, an auto mechanic performs a service when he repairs a car. For instance, an auto mechanic performs a service when he repairs a car. A doctor also performs a service by taking care of people when they are sick. A doctor also performs a service by taking care of people when they are sick. Business, then, is a combination of all these activities. Business, then, is a combination of all these activities. Production, distribution, and sale. and sale. However, there is one other important factor. This factor is the creation of profit or economic surplus. A major goal in the functioning of an American business company is making a profit. Profit is the money that remains after all the expenses are paid. Creating an economic surplus or profit is therefore a primary goal of business activity. Creating an economic surplus or profit is therefore a primary goal of business activity.